Hello, I want to show you a way to do division. I call it the Norwegian way, but I'm quite certain that if you go to Japan, you have the Japanese way, or to Belgium, you have the Belgian way. But this is a way to do it that is not the one you find on YouTube all the time. So what it does is just to think the opposite. Like if you have the number 6 and you divide it by 3, then you get 2. And you already know that if you go the other way, you take 2 and multiply it by 3, then you get 6, like this. 2 multiplied by 3, that's 6. So this is the thought, the way you think behind this method. So let's get started. Let's start with this number 230, and you divide it by 9.2. The way we have worked with division before is that you have to take away the decimal in the divisor, but in this way you don't need to do it. So just keep the 9.2 and don't multiply it by 10 and get rid of the decimal. So what you're going to find out is how many times how many 9,2s can you fit in 230. What I do then is that I give myself some workspace on the right side, and I start with 9.2. That is like multiplied 1 time. Then I can multiply it to the 2 times and just double it, and then I get this number. Then I can easily multiply it by 3 by adding these two numbers, and I get 6, and I get 7, and I get this number. And now I can do like 4 times, and 4 times is like doubling this number. So then you see I get 8, and the double of 18 is 36. Now I could have taken 5 if I want to. I can also take 10, like this number. And you see that is 1 time. I can take it 10 times. I just move the decimal. This. Then it's easy for me to find 5. If I want to do that, it's just to take the half of this number, you see. 5 is half of 10, so then I just find the half of this one. 92 is 45. 92 is 90 plus 2. Half of 90 is 45. Half of 2 is 1. So then I know that half is 46. So I start with these numbers, and maybe I need some other numbers later. Like it's easy for me to find 8. It's just to double this one. If I need to find 7, I just add these two numbers, and so on. But let's start. So you see, I have 9.2. I have to go all the way up to 230. So you see, I don't have any numbers that is quite close to that yet. So I can start with this number, like this was 92, that was 10 times. You see, I'm not even close yet. How about I go to 20 times? Then I just double this one, and I get this number. I already got it, so it's not that I don't need to do anything at all. And then I can say that, okay, 184, that is quite close now to this number. So I just want to see how many more 9.2 do I have to add to this number. So I just stop here and take away these ones, and then I do this, and I got 6, and I do this, and I got 46. I need to find now how many 9.2 do I get into 46. Oh, look here, I already have that number. If I multiply 9.2 with 5, then I get 46. So now I know that the number, that the answer is, I need 20 9.2 plus 5 9.2. So the answer is 25. And just to see that you can easily use it to do answers with decimals, I'm going to give you one more. Let's say one easy one, and just to so that you can look at the way I do it. Let's take 37 multiplied or divided by 5. Then I give myself the same room here. 5, that's 1. 10, that's 2. And 15, I can do that. That's 3. And it's quite easy to go all the way up. 20, it's 4, yes. And you see, I have to get so close to 37 as I can. So if I take the double of this one, then I have 30, that's 6. And if I give it one more, 35, then I got 7. So I see that the closest I can get is to 7. Okay, so I put 35 to this place and take it away, and then I get this, and you see that I have 2. When you see that this number is smaller than this number, then you know you have to have decimals. So I use the 7 and give it a decimal. And you know we have zeros here, so I put that one on. And then how many 5s is it room for in 20? And then I have this number. Okay, so that was the answer for that. Hope you will try this kind of methods, and please, and maybe give me some feedback how to do it better. Bye bye.